Why does my Epson printer say offline and how to fix it? 4 quick solutions. Method 1. Resetting the print spooler service. Step 1. First, press the Windows plus R buttons to launch the Run app. Step 2. Then, write services.msc in the box and hit Enter key. Step 3. When the list of Windows services appears, find the print spooler service. Double-click on the spooler option to open its properties window. Step 5. Under the service status of the spooler properties window, click Stop. Step 6. After that, press the OK button to save and apply the changes. Step 7. Again, go to the Services screen and start the spooler one more time. Step 8. Also, ensure the spooler startup type is set to automatic in the Properties window. Method 2. Add a printer using its IP address and port. Step 1. Navigate to the control panel and then move to the printers list. Step 2. Find your printer, right-click on it and choose the Printer Properties option. Step 3. Move to the Ports tab on the Properties window and click on the Check Port. Step 4. Hit the Configure Port button, which will open the new pop-up window. Step 5. Copy the port name or the printer IP address and note them on Notepad. Step 6. Open the Control Panel screen and go to the All Control Panel Items option. Step 7. Click on the Add a Printer option on the Devices and Printers window. Step 8. Delete the current printer to add it again using the printer IP and the port name. Step 9. When the printer gets detected, click on it, and the system will connect. Step 10. If it does not detect, choose the printer that I want isn't listed. Step 11. Choose the Add a Printer using TCP IP address or hostname option. Step 12. Type the port name and the IP address and wait till the printer connects. Step 13. Once the printer gets connected, print out a test file and check if the issue is fixed. Method 3. Turn off the SNMP settings. Step 1. Open the Devices and Printer screen from the Control Panel window. Step 2. Select and right-click on your printer and click Properties. Step 3. In the Properties dialog box, navigate to the Ports tab. Step 4. Now, with the IP address highlighted, click on Configure Ports. Step 5. Unselect the SNMP Status Enabled option and click OK. Step 6. If required, try power cycling the printer before proceeding. Step 7. Now, right-click on your printer and try reconnecting it. Method 4. Unselect the Use Printer Offline option. Step 1. Reboot your printer and wait till it gets completely started. Step 2. Ensure the printer cable is correctly inserted into the system. Step 3. Also, check the network connectivity if the printer is connected wirelessly. Step 4. Sign into your system with the help of a local administrator account. Step 5. From the Windows Start icon, open the Run box and write the Control Panel. Step 6. Choose the Devices and Printers option if the view by is set as a large icon. Step 7. Now, you can see all the devices connected to the system. Step 8. Under Printers, find your printer, right-click on it and choose See What's Printing. Step 9. Click on the Printer menu and uncheck the Use Printer Offline option. Step 10. Now, the printer is set as online. Check if the offline issue is fixed or not. For more such help and information, visit us at www.printertales.com. or call us at 1-877-469-0297.